I was so close to finishing in only one video, but now I have to make it two. But that gives me an opportunity to bring up a really good point. So whenever we're reading fiction, we always talk about how setting plays an important role in the story and how the setting kind of shapes the story and helps make it. And that's something kind of we all struggle with, is figuring out how the setting really affects this book. And I think that Bridget Terabithia really tells you exactly how the setting helps. So in this line right here, where it says, now it was, oh, why did that happen? Okay, so in this paragraph right here, it says now it was time for him to move out. She wasn't there, so he must go for the both of them. It was up to him to pay back in the world, in beauty and caring, what Leslie had loaned him in vision and strength. So in Terabithia, while Jess and Leslie were in Terabithia together, Jess felt so powerful and so strong, and Leslie felt so independent and so important, that Leslie had given him vision and strength in their world of Terabithia, and Jess was going to pay back the world in the same beauty and the same care that Leslie had loaned him, and they were able to have that connection, have that relationship, because of the specialness of Terabithia. That didn't happen that didn't happen everywhere, that didn't just happen in school, that didn't happen in their backyard, that didn't happen on the steps, that happened in Terabithia. Terabithia played a huge, important part of the story. Probably why it's called Bridge to Terabithia. So I just wanted to bring that up before I finish. So let's finish this chapter. So Jess is doing something and Maybelle wants to know what, and Maybelle is promising to keep it a secret from everyone, and Jess is thinking about telling her. So her face sagged. Joyce Ann ain't nothing but a baby. Well, she wouldn't likely be a queen first off. You'd have to train her and stuff. Queen? Who gets to be queen? I'll explain it when I finish it, okay? And when he finished, he put flowers in her hair and led her across the bridge, the great bridge, into Terabithia, which might look to someone with no magic in him like a few planks across a nearly dry gully. Shh, he said, look. Where? Can't you see him? He whispered. All the Terabithians standing on tiptoe to see you. Me? Shh, yes, there's a rumor going around that the beautiful girl arriving today might be the queen they've been waiting for. So it looks like Jess is gonna give some of that Leslie magic to Maybelle. So he's kind of passing it along. And that's it. So let me know what books you'd like to read next. I'm just seeing if there's anything in here that I'd like to tell you about the author. This is the author that wrote Bridge to Terabithia, Katherine Patterson. She's written some other books as well, so if you liked Bridge to Terabithia, there are other books. My other favorite of hers, actually, is The Great Gilly Hopkins, which I absolutely love, that Katherine Patterson also wrote. So we need another book. What book should we read next? Let me know.